Hi guys, welcome you all in a new video, and in this video I am going to unlock a locked smartphone which is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern or password lock, and you have watched lots of video on different platforms like YouTube and other streaming platform, and still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. The new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, because the every step what I'm going to give you in this video is most important to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so let's start this method. Before you start this method, you will have to charge your phone at least 20%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So the main thing is that by this method you will be able to save your all the data like videos, photos, applications, document. All the data will be remain as it is as in your smartphone. So this video is very useful to you. Okay, and the main thing is this method you don't have to visit any service center, you don't need any computer application, and you don't pay a single penny to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so let's start this method. This method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly you will have to switch your phone on airplane mode, or you may also eject your smartphone SIM card to use this unlocking method, because you will have to switch off your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network, because it's most important to use this method to switch off your phone all the networks. Okay, so after switching off your phone's all the network like telecommunication and Wi-Fi network, simply you will have to go with the, just a minute, simply you will have to slide up your phone like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock, and simply you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch off your phone's all the background running application, because it's most important to close all the background running application in this method. Okay, so use this code to close the background running application, and this code is star 999 star 85. Okay, this is the USSD code to close all the background running application. After feeding this USSD code in your dialing pad, you will have to call on this dialing pad. Okay, and you will get a pop-up of call field. Simply ignore this, and you will have to continue call on this USSD number 3 times continuously. Okay, after call on this USSD code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now after this, simply clear your call log like this. And now you will have to feed a special USSD code which will switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page, or it's also known as engineers mode page in our service center language. And this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see here after feeding this USSD code, a new page has been appeared, and the page name is engineers mode page. Okay, now you will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. You will have to open this, and at the first time when you will open this, it will show you a new page, and you will get a 3 type of option on this page. But you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the option of others. Okay, now you can see here others option has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a database version which is showing at the 4th number. You can see here, simply you will have to click on this database version 9 times rapidly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, but you will have to click on this rapidly. Marks my word, you will have to click on this rapidly. Okay, now you can see here there is a second option is read write important lock test option. Simply you will have to click on this, and at the first time when you will click on this, it will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm. Simply you will have to cancel at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to cancel again, and the third time you will have to cancel again. Okay, but at the 4th time when you will go with this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button, you will get a pop-up of wrong password. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Okay, Now after this, the very last step, you will have to follow this step necessarily. Okay, after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option. You can see here. You will also get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of sensor, self-test and calibration option. Simply you will have to click on this. When you will click on this, you will get a 3 type of option, 1 option or 2 options. So don't worry at all the option will be showing there. Operation not started. Okay, simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on this. Okay, and you will have to continue click on this until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, now I am going to click on this. You can see here, test has been started, test failed, test has been started, test passed. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared. It means this phone has been completely unlocked. Now you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So how will you check? Simply you can get a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on that to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to click on this. So you can see here, this phone has been completely unlocked, and the main thing is that all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then join us our channel. Our team will quick response on your issues by the help of video call, WhatsApp video call. Thank you so much.